which I hate. L, 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 L.
We had two.
I hate that seaweed.
What the heck?
I'll be straight on up. Oh, thank you, darling.
Water's nice. So my best.
Buenos días, capitán.
Buenos días, ¿cómo está?
Está bien, gracias. Oh, there is a little seating up here. There's seating up here too, T. We can sit up here, Captain.
Welcome to Blue Marine. My name is Hazel like Ice, but I know Hazel Ice. You can call me
Hazel.
Shadow Boss,
Hazel.
Patrón, no worry, yeah? I will be your guide up today, and I hope you really having fun with us. In case you don't enjoy, just pretend, please, yeah?
Oh, pretend.
Yeah. So, now, let me introduce our crew for today. I will need a big applause for our countdown. Mr.
Capitán, Capitán.
He is the person in charge. Please go safely and wrong. Remember, the mission is come back drunk.
That's right.
You come back sober, my boss come back with me. And I don't want that. Please help me with that.
Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. We are still in the Dominican Republic celebrating Jason and Kimberly's wedding. And the morning after the wedding, they arranged a wonderful snorkeling trip aboard the Blue Marine Adventurer. So here we are boarding the boat and heading off for this fun-filled day on the sea. So join us as we turn up and turn out in the Dominican Republic. Honey, after all of that snorkeling, sliding, and swimming in the sea, we had really worked up an appetite. And the Blue Marine delivered on a delicious lunch. Lobster, shrimp or chicken skewers, potatoes roasted with garlic and herbs, roasted vegetables, bread, corn on the cob, and rum punch, honey. Delicious cocktails and drinks for us to enjoy. So after a delicious lunch, honey, the captain let your girl drive the boat through the Dominican Republic. And baby, I loved every minute of it. So if you're enjoying today's adventure, please be sure to give your girl a big thumbs up. And while you're at it, consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. Honey, it's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. So let me just share a few photos from the week while I chat with you. Kimberly and Jason's wedding was a class act. Do you hear me? The resort they chose was beautiful. A wonderful itinerary of events without being too regimented. We had an awesome time celebrating with them their wedding, this milestone in their life, and we wish them every happiness. Lastly, I'm going to share with you a night tour of this beautiful resort, and then we're going to head to the plane. So I hope you enjoyed celebrating my little cousin Kimberly and her new husband Jason's wedding with me in the Dominican Republic. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.